Hi student, in last period we discussed about the neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction means when acid and base react to form salt and water is called as a neutralization reaction. For example, we have to take the example HCl reacted with NaOH, means hydrochloric acid reacted with sodium hydroxide. We get NaCl plus water. We get sodium chloride and water. Means in a neutralization reaction, any acid and any base react to form salt and water. This reaction is called as a neutralization reaction. Today we are going to start the next point, that is a reaction of acid with a metal. We know that acids are sour in taste. Acids are acids containing H plus ion. When acids are tested with a litmus paper, then blue litmus paper convert into red litmus paper in an acid solution. So we have to give some reactions with acid. So first we have to give the information about reaction of acids with a metal. Look at this. Reaction of acids with the metals. Any acid reacted with a metal to form salt and hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is releases when any dilute acid reacted with acid. So hydrogen gas is releases and salt is formed. So we have to write here acid reacted with any metal reacted with dilute acid. Metal reacted with a dilute acid to form salt and hydrogen gas. Salt and hydrogen gas is releases in this reaction. We have to take some examples. Number first, magnesium. Magnesium reacted with HCl. Magnesium reacted with HCl to form magnesium chloride, and hydrogen gas is releases in the reaction. The first reaction, when magnesium ribbon is reacted with dilute HCl, so we get the product magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas is releases. In this chemical reaction, magnesium is a metal and HCl, which is a dilute HCl, is used. So in this reaction, magnesium chloride is the salt and hydrogen gas is releases. Second example, zinc. Look at this. Zinc, which is in a solid state. Magnesium, which is in a solid state. HCl, which is in a aqueous state. Second example, second reaction. Zinc reacted with a dilute H2SO4. H2SO4 means sulfuric acid, which is in a aqueous form. We get zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas is releases in this chemical reaction. Second example, zinc metal reacted with a sulfuric acid to form zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. Third example, copper reacted with a HNO3, nitric acid. Copper reacted with a nitric acid which is in an aqueous form. Then we get copper nitrate CuNO3. Copper nitrate CuNO3 twice plus hydrogen gas is releases in this chemical reaction. So all these three examples are related when they are reacted with acid. Means any metal reacted with acid to form salt and hydrogen gas is releases. So look at this. When a metal is reacted with a dilute acid to form salt and hydrogen gas. First example, magnesium reacted with HCl to form magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. Number 2, zinc. Zinc is a metal. Zinc reacted with a sulfuric acid to form zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas releases. Third, copper reacted with a nitric acid to form copper nitrate and hydrogen gas. So all these from these all three examples we conclude that we explain we know that when any metal reacted with dilute acid we get salt and hydrogen gas. Look at this. Any metal reacted with a dilute acid we get the salt and hydrogen gases releases. So these are the some examples are based on acids reacted with the metals. Then next point we have to discuss about reaction of acids with a metal oxide. Look at this. Next point, reaction of acids with a metal oxide. Look at this. Next reaction of acid with a metal oxide. Any metal oxide reacted with dilute acid. Metal oxide reacted with dilute acid. Metal oxide reacted with dilute acid to form salt and water. Salt and water. First example, calcium oxide reacted with HCl, 2HCl. We get in this reaction we get salt and water. So we get calcium chloride and water. First example, look at this. Means metal oxide reacted with dilute acid, we get the product salt and water. First example we have to take calcium oxide reacted with hydrochloric acid, we get calcium chloride and water. Another second and third example we have to completed, we have to given in our book. Look at this. Second example, magnesium oxide reacted with fill in the blanks we have to given, and we get magnesium chloride plus H2O which is in a liquid state. Look at this. आता यामध्ये ही रिएक्शन आपल्याला फिल अप करायची आहे. या ठिकाणी मॅग्नेशियम ऑक्साइड रिएक्टेड विथ वी गेट द प्रोडक्ट MgCl2 plus H2O. मग यामध्ये काय लिहिणे आवश्यक आहे? या ठिकाणी येईल 2HCl. When magnesium oxide reacted with hydrochloric acid, we get magnesium chloride and water. Third example, aluminium oxide Al2O3. Aluminium oxide reacted with hydrogen fluoride, we get AlF3 plus water. So any metal oxide reacted with acid, any metal oxides are reacted with acid, we get salt and water. First example, calcium oxide reacted with HCl, we get calcium chloride and water. Second, magnesium oxide reacted with HCl, we get magnesium chloride and water. And third, aluminium oxide reacted with hydrogen fluoride, we get the aluminium fluoride and water. So in these three examples, any metal oxide reacted with acid to form salt and water. Look at this. मग यामध्ये आपण दोन प्रकारचे रिएक्शन घेतल्या. पहिले घेतली होती रिएक्शन ऑफ मेटल्स विथ ऍसिड. एनी मेटल रिएक्टेड विथ ऍसिड टू फॉर्म सॉल्ट अँड हायड्रोजन गॅस. हायड्रोजन गॅस इज रिलीजेस. एक्झाम्पल आपण घेतलं होतं मॅग्नेशियम रिएक्टेड विथ 2HCl to form magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas is releases. And second reaction घेतली आहे reaction of acids with a metal oxide. Any metal oxide reacted with a dilute acid, we get salt and water. So these are the some examples related to metal oxides reacted with acid. Any metal oxide reacted with acid to form salt and water. So these are the reactions related to acids. मग यामध्ये ऍसिडच्या संदर्भात तीन रिएक्शन आपण घेतल्या. फर्स्ट आपण घेतली न्यूट्रलायझेशन रिएक्शन. न्यूट्रलायझेशन मध्ये काय म्हटले आपण, व्हेन ऍसिड अँड बेस रिएक्ट टू फॉर्म सॉल्ट अँड वॉटर इज कॉल्ड न्यूट्रलायझेशन रिएक्शन. सेकंड, रिएक्शन ऑफ अ मेटल विथ ऍसिड. मेटल म्हणजे धातू, धातू आणि ऍसिड, धातू आणि आम्ल याची रिएक्शन आपण घेतलेली आहे. एनी मेटल रिएक्टेड विथ ऍसिड टू फॉर्म सॉल्ट अँड हायड्रोजन गॅस इज रिलीजेस. एक्झाम्पल आपण घेतले झिंक रिएक्टेड विथ H2SO4, झिंक रिएक्टेड विथ सल्फ्युरिक ऍसिड टू फॉर्म झिंक क्लोराइड अँड हायड्रोजन गॅस इज रिलीजेस. And third reaction we have to take reaction of a metal oxide with a metal oxides reacted with acid to form salt and water. First example, calcium oxide. Calcium oxide reacted with HCl to form calcium chloride and water. Next, magnesium oxide reacted with a hydrochloric acid to form magnesium chloride and water. So we have to completed reaction of acids with the metal and metal oxides.